So fellas, today I'm gonna perform an oil change on this 5.7 liter Tundra. I always use the 0W20 Volvo line, that's what they use at the dealer. I got the OEM filters. I already removed these 3 screws right here. And I got a few more bolts here to remove the shield. These three bolts, screws right here are Phillips screwdriver. You got them off, and there is few bolts right here, and they are 12 millimeters. But you're gonna need a short extension and 12 millimeter socket, the long one, or a longer extension and a short socket. And it's 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3 12 millimeter bolt. And there's 2 more here on the front, 1 and 2. Just like that, the shield is off. Now the drain plug is 14 millimeters and square extension or ratchet right here, and then to remove the oil filter housing, I mean the oil filter cap. I got the special tool for it. Draining the oil, and it's about 8.5 quarts. And that's what I use for refuel and to drain the oil filter. I mean, I've never used this. I just open the bottom cap, the plug, and it drains by itself. But I use this to take the cap off. Got a new washer on the plug. Look at the gloves, fancy gloves. Filters. And they come with this draining tool. I'm going to connect these 2 pieces there and screw it down here like this. I'm going to put a little bit of fresh oil with the drain plug open, so it's gonna flush it a little. Right now it's clean coming out, so I'm gonna close the drain plug and remove the filter right here. And the drain plug, you have to torque it to 30 foot-pounds. Yep. Now, with the longer extension, remove the drain plug from the filter, oil filter. And I'm not even using the draining tube. It's almost nothing here. I'm just gonna remove the filter cup. Well, that's interesting, because all this oil is supposed to... Oh, okay, now I know. Because I didn't use this this plastic fitting, it didn't drain it's okay. It didn't drain. When I use this plastic fitting right here, it's gonna drain all this oil that is coming off right now. I totally forgot about it. It's okay. I'm gonna clean this anyway. Got it. I'm gonna try to clean all this area here. Old filter, doesn't look bad at all. I don't know if you guys gonna be able to see it, but this is the thing right here that I forgot about. This little nipple over there, when you push it, see, there is a movement and it releases the oil. So I just forgot to use this thing to drain it. You just put it inside, and the oil, what was coming out from the filter cap, is gonna drain with this thing, through this thing. I just forgot about it. Here is one O-ring, and here is another one for the plug. New O-rings, here is one, and here is the second one for the plug. Around this. Old O-rings. Those are right here with the oil filter. New oil to loop the new O-rings. On the new filter, you just simply push in. New O-rings are in, ready to roll. New oil filters coming in. Oop. This oil still dripping a little bit. Let's clean it. Now we gotta torque this filter cap to 18 foot-pounds. 80 foot-pounds. And the oil filter plug to 9 foot-pounds. Just check the O-ring sits good, and this is 9 foot-pounds. This is it. Now I'm gonna refill it with oil and check for leaks. And 8.45 quarts. Here's the dipstick. Check the oil. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's full. It's by the it's not going to focus on the dipstick, but it's about here where the second dot is. I'm gonna start the engine right now, so the oil filter suck some of the oil, and then I'm gonna reset the maintenance light. Let's take the old oil out of the way. Oil pressure is up, and you can see that there is a like a warning triangle, and this is for the maintenance required, visit your dealer. So we're gonna reset this. Okay, so to reset this maintenance light, since I'm not going to dealer to do oil changes, you just simply use this arrows and move the screen to the right, where it's like a blue gear. You go to vehicle settings, and there is a maintenance reset. So you just push this and it's gonna ask you to reset the maintenance reminder. Yes, and that's it. I got the engine running. I'm gonna shut it off now and check the oil again. Let's see if there is no leaks. Nothing is leaking here, and the plug is not leaking. So I'm gonna check the oil and put the skid plate back on. I'm gonna add a little more because the filter sucked some of the oil. So we are exactly at full. So about 8.5 quarts. And that's it, fellas. I put the skid plate back on. And it took me about 15 minutes with everything. That's it.